Peel.
Tom, what's our issue today?
There's a bird inside of our house.
Yeah, our cat brought in, and Tommy and I are gonna sweep it off.
Actually, he's gonna do it. I'm gonna stay out here and record.
Yeah. Me and Mike going in with the teamwork.
Yo,
Go.
this thing looks
Sweep it in. Sweep it in.
It's low-key kind of hot.
Oh, chill, Jeffrey Dahmer. Alright, put it in. It's not
Mike,
bad.
you gotta sweep it.
This thing's like a toy.
Put it in.
Just
Okay. Mikey and I got the bird.
No,
Oh,
don't drop
that's
it.
good.
Don't drop it.
I'm not gonna drop it. Chill your beans.
Bobby, it's gotta go in the garbage. No.
The garbage.
In the pail.
In the
garbage is
pail.
right there.
Me is having a heart attack. It's not.
Okay, no, we're good. I was just joking. Alright. Oh, shucks.
Yo, let's
Like
go.
and subscribe for
go,
more
Bobby.
Baldy content.